Welcome to our guide on the different parts of a hydroponic system. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants using mineral nutrient solutions in water, without soil. The first part of a hydroponic system is the container or grow tray, which holds the plants and their root systems. Next, we have the nutrient solution, which is a mixture of water and essential minerals that the plants need to grow. The delivery system is responsible for getting the nutrient solution to the plants. This can include a pump, tubing, and drip or spray emitters. The growing medium, such as rockwool, clay pellets or perlite, is used to support the plants and keep their roots in place. Lighting is also an important part of a hydroponic system. Plants need light to photosynthesize and grow. High-intensity discharge lamps or LED lights are commonly used. Lastly, a controller or timer can be used to regulate the timing and frequency of nutrient delivery and lighting. That's a quick overview of the different parts of a hydroponic system. With this knowledge, you'll be able to set up and maintain your own hydroponic garden with ease. Thanks for watching.